in the dark room, sitting on a box. What's going on there? Parker! Richard Parker, what's going on? You're just having a nap. Hey, come on. The bright light. The bright light. What's going on, bud? Just napping. I'm just napping. I'm just napping. That's what I do. I nap, nap, nap. When it's thunder and lightning, I nap.
Day I came to pick strawberries. Every day there's a crop. Look at that beautiful plant. Look at them. They are awesome and they taste great. Look at these baby berries. Look at them all. My gosh, that's gonna be quite the crop.